This is starting to wear on me. You've been raining down like hail. I'm weak. I have tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something you own. It's too late to repair what we made. What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the...
G'day everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Anna and this is You Got Me in Stitches. Today coming in at you with the SewHayleyJane unboxing. Yay! It arrived Saturday. Yay! So just to give a little bit of a rundown and description of a SewHayleyJane box for those that are less familiar, there are 3 tiers. There's the mini box, the classic box, which is what I am subscribed to each month, and the luxury box. And yeah, so shall we see what is inside this month's box? You are always greeted with the sunshine yellow tissue paper, which is synonymous with the SewHayleyJane box. A little bit of a quick sneak peek as to what is inside. First up, one of the little treats inside is something called Stick and Stitch. So you can kind of embroider these. The company is called Crafty Dreams. And yeah, these are a new to me company. And I think that's really lovely design, something really creative to kind of add maybe to a little baggie, or maybe to an edge of a large collar or a cuff, just to have a little bit of interest and detail. Next up we have a floral notebook, which is always awesome to be able to keep any little sewing information. Why? Take several more. Righto. A floral notebook, which is really good because obviously you can put all your notes in, sewing or otherwise. It is lined paper and the floral design is both the front and the back, and it is a great size because you can put it in your pocketbook or your purse. Really lightweight, and it's fantastic, especially if you're out and about and you need to kind of write down anything pattern or sewing related, or if you want to keep little, you know, secret things in there. But then that's kind of more of a little black book, isn't it? In the classic box you get 4 fat quarters, and this is from Craft Cotton Co. in Meadow Flowers. So I'll just show you guys these individually. So first up we have this beautiful design here, kind of a duck egg with gentle mustard and kind of a coral peach. Then we have a happy creamy mustard with an off-white petal floral design. Another floral in a coral colourway, which is also super pretty. And finally, this pretty gorgeous one as well. It's almost like a flower burst. Really like that. And I really like fat quarters. I know they're kind of not everybody's liking, but you can do so many things with them, especially if you want to make really small projects and or include them, and it saves kind of cutting into larger increments of fabric and kind of wasting those. So at least having 4 smaller fat quarters, and you can mix them up as well, so win-win. Yay! Also included every month is the book that Hayley puts inside, and I know there's a little birdie above my head. Bloomin' Beautiful it is called, and this is always a great read. So there are interviews, there is a little project which you can make out of the fat quarters, which is from Temlin, so a little peek there of Temlin, and she has her own wonderful channel. Obviously, as always, Hayley's hello introduction, and yeah, it is full of lots of inspiration and ideas and interviews. Oh my goodness, I know this lady, awesome. A lady called Joanne, that is all I'm going to say. We have kind of virtually met actually last couple years, and that was over the sewing weekender, which I have touched upon that in previous videos. So it's so super exciting and awesome that she's in there. Yay! Also, each month Hayley includes a little candy treat. I do not eat candy like this at all, so I will pass that over to a friend. Righto, so next up is the thread, and this is not too far off what the main fabric is. So polyester Gatherman thread in a kind of mid to lightish blue. So a little hint there. Oh my goodness, the main fabric is just absolute darling. It is wonderful, it is so soft, it is a viscose rayon, it is just dreamy. I know, get on with it, woman, you're just jabbering. Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous this beautiful fabric is. It is so soft, it is stunning. I am thinking long drapey pants, or something not too dissimilar to the sharing self-drafted little dress that I did that was ankle length, because the drape in this is absolutely wonderful. Plain, go away already. May I continue? Noise? I do not mind if the birds are twittering, but yes, as I was saying, this is so beautiful. May I continue? Yep, no worries. Nah. Dankeschön. Beautiful, drapey, fluid. I can imagine shirts, blouses, plateau style pants, ankle length dresses, tie dresses, anything like that. Now this fabric has no stretch at all, apart from on the bias, and even then it only has a small amount. This is the reverse, and I'm also thinking jumpsuit, the McCall's one, or even the one from SewHayleyJane, which I have made before. That would look actually really awesome, I think. The floaty, carefree days, lazy slumber days, yeah, who gets those really? Yeah, nothing wrong in dreaming of quiet, dreamy, slumber, lazy daisy days. Yeah, righto, so that is the box this month. Hope you have enjoyed. Let me know what ideas that you have, and also there are 2 colourways this month, so it'd be interesting to see when I watch some of the other SewHayleyJane unboxings of what the colourway looks like in their boxes and the ideas that everybody has. This fabric is so beautiful, I'm so excited. I may even attempt to sew something really soon with it. It's just really dreamy. Hayley, awesome, thank you again, you nailed it as always. Righto, so this is the SewHayleyJane box with all the shenanigans as extra, all for free, guys. So that is it, and thank you for joining me for this month's June SewHayleyJane unboxing. Have a wonderful week and hopefully see you guys soon. Take care everybody and happy sewing. G'day everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Anna and this is Noise. Or maybe any little or sewing related. Couple years. Scrap that. Righto. Nah.
Beautiful. May I continue? Yep, no worries. Nah. Thank you, John.
That was great. Outro, another one.